Want to log out of your Instagram account but don't know how to? Well, in this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log out of your Instagram account. Well, logging out of your Instagram account is a very easy process. So, first, what you have to do is open your Instagram app and go to your profile and click on the three lines that you see on your right hand side. Simply click on it and scroll down to the bottom, and you will see logout option. Simply click on logout and click on not now and log out. There you go. Your account has successfully been logged out.